I guess we need to go back to, as a child, we didn't go to dentist very often. We had to have a toothache or something really bad. But as the years went by, I actually replaced the 4 front teeth with crowns because I'd had a lot of fillings as a child. I got real good use out of those crowns. Well, then I had a bridge through the years and replacing things because of so many large fillings. We started going around realizing that we needed implants because that was the only thing that was a safe, secure, and positive to what I needed. Most dentists didn't see me as an easy candidate to do any kind of work on. Well, a friend of mine in Myrtle Beach called me. She said, Vicki, you've got to use my dentist. He is wonderful, and he's only going to do what you need, and he will work with you. I said, well, give me his number. So I called, made an appointment, and I fell in love with him and his staff that day. They looked at me, they listened to my sad story. I said, Dr. Faber, can you do anything? He said, honey, you're at the right place. We're going to take care of you. I went home that day feeling like a queen. We talked about the surgery. He explained about the implants, the type that I was going to get, what he could offer me, and how it would work. Each visit that I have, I get closer and closer. They're all wonderful. Anything I've needed, I call, and they get me in. They take care of me. I felt so comfortable with Dr. Faber and his family and his staff here. I have in my phone Dr. Faber. I don't have his name spelled right. I have Favor because he's my favorite doctor. He's my favorite dentist. He's my favorite person in this world right now. He and his staff have been there for me. It's nice to be able to smile again, know that there's no decay going on in my mouth, know that I don't have bad breath because of old fillings and decay in there. So now that my teeth are fixed and my smile is there again, that I can start working on other issues. When I saw my teeth in the mirror, I was just so happy. I couldn't believe how beautiful they were. And the fact that they're mine, all mine. I don't know how he does what he does, but he does wonderful, wonderful work. And he loves it.